Hi, this is Hasib. Welcome to Tech Loop. Today I'm going to show you how you can download pre-activated Windows 11 ISO file and install it very easily within just 7 minutes. So don't skip this video and watch till the end. Before the start, please subscribe for more pre-activated software installation videos and more. First, click the pre-activated Windows 11 ISO file download link, which is given in my video description. Click the link, it will take you in this page. Click download. Click download anyway, and now you can see. Download is begin. I've already downloaded, so I cancel this download. It will take few minutes because file size is big. Now just wait, it will take few minutes to finish. Just wait for when download is completed. You can see this is a zip file. I extract it with WinRAR. If you don't have this software, install it. Now extract files here. Here you can see my ISO file. Now create a bootable USB drive to install the Windows. First, insert your any USB drive in laptop. So first, go to your browser, then search for Rufus download. Here is the latest version of Rufus. Download it. Go to Download folder. Now open the Rufus software. Now the most important thing before start, first we need to know the partition style of the device which we will install the Windows. For that, right-click on the Start menu, then Disk Management. In the Disk Management, right-click here, then go to Properties, select Volume. Now you can see here the partition style. In my case, the partition style is GPT. In your case, it can be MBR or GPT. Select the Windows ISO file from folder where you downloaded the ISO file. Keep this option as it is. Now select the partition scheme GPT because my partition style is GPT. Now left everything as it is and click the Start button. Click OK. Click OK. It will format your USB drive and boot the ISO file. So if you have anything in your USB drive, back up those files. Now just wait for a few minutes to finish. Now you can see the USB drive is ready for use. Now pause the video and select your boot options, enter key. Now insert your bootable flash drive in that laptop where you want to install Windows. Now you need boot key to go boot menu. So my boot key is F2. Now most important, turn off your internet. Now restart your laptop and continuously press your boot key. I am pressing F2 until boot menu open. In boot menu, select boot sequence option. Now set the boot priority. Select your USB drive and change it to first boot option. Now click Apply and Save. OK. Now exit. Wait for a few minutes. Now left everything as it is. Click Next and click Install. Here, check mark the terms and condition, then click Next. Select Custom Install. Here you can see all partition and drive you have. Select your primary drive and format it. Now click Next. Now just wait for a few minutes to complete the installation. Now just wait. It will take few minutes to finish. Our installation is completed. Here, select your region and click Yes. Left keyboard, Layout Default, and select Yes. Click Skip. Here select I don't have internet option and click Continue with limited setup. Enter your username. If you want to set password, put it or left it as it is and click Next. Click Next, click Next. Click Accept. Now wait for a few minutes to finish the installation completely. Here you can see the installation is finished and it is working very fine. You can see here Windows is activated. Now you can turn on the internet. Now must check for the Windows update. When there is update available, update it. It will update all the driver and features. Sometimes speaker doesn't work properly, so wait for some time and update the Windows. The audio driver will be updated and problem will solved. So if you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.